Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, if you are a NEET aspirant, especially a fresher, then this video is going to be a game changer for you. Every year, lakhs of freshers appear for NEET, dreaming of MBBS seat, but only a small percentage get selected in their first attempt. Why does this happen? Are these students less capable? Absolutely not. Most of the time, it's because they unknowingly make mistakes in their preparation. And you know what? I also did them. I've been through this myself and I've seen so many of my friends and batchmates struggle with these same problems. That's why today I'm here for you. Mistake number one, weak NCRT fundamentals. Mistake is not focusing on NCRT. A lot of freshers directly jump to big reference book and coaching modules without properly finishing NCRT. But remember, NEET is NCRT based, especially for bio and a good chunk of chemistry. If you don't have NCRT on your fingertips, you're missing out on 70% of the question. So master it first. Mistake number two is ignoring previous year papers. Many freshers just follow coaching test series and never see the real need question papers. Previous year question papers tell you exactly what is important, what repeats, and how examiners think. You must solve 10 years past at least twice. If you don't have any book, you can just search it online. Mistake number three is poor revision planning. Freshers often get busy finishing the syllabus but forgot to revise on weekly or monthly basis. By the time the syllabus ends, they have forgotten half of what they have learned. So you should revise consistently while studying, not after everything is done. I also did this mistake and after that I regretted a lot. Like कैसे होगा भाई एक बार में सब I know but you have to plan it all and then do it. Mistake number four is not practicing enough MCQs. Many freshers only read theory and underline, but NEET is an MCQ exam. Your mind has to get trained for solving 180 questions quickly. Practice at least 100 to 150 questions daily once your basics are clear. Mistake number five is ignoring time management. In coaching terms or exams, you might take 3 hours, but in NEET, you have to solve all questions within a strict time. Practice full syllabus mock test in real day NEET timing with OMR sheets to build your speed and accuracy. Especially in NEET 2025, we have seen that there were so many tricky questions, and it was really hard to finish all these questions in a time bound situation. So, you need to practice it a lot. I also was in the same situation as you are, so that's why I'm guiding you all. Mistake number six is not clearing doubts quickly. Freshers feel shy or lazy to ask teachers and leave small doubts for later. These small gaps pile up and cost you marks. Solve your doubts immediately, no matter how silly they seem. Mistake number six is falling into stress and comparing yourself with toppers. Freshers often panic if they see someone scoring more or if they miss a test. This kills confidence. Remember, you are only competition to you. Keep improving your score instead of comparing. Okay, so these were the seven biggest mistakes freshers make, and trust me, if you avoid them, your chances of clearing NEET in the first attempt go way up. Which makes mistake do you relate the most? Comment below, and I love to know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be back soon with more NEET preparation tips. All the best, and keep studying smart.